So I'm going to power the phone off. Okay, so I'm going to remove the back, and I'm going to be removing the battery and these screws. Now these are precision head Phillips screws, so they all have to be removed. So you're going to need a precision head Phillips screwdriver. Okay, now what you need to do is just pull this in with your thumb and pull this out. And as you can see, it's already separating it. You can just use the tip of your fingers to pull away at the corners. As you can see, it's coming out. Okay, there you go.